Oo nga, pero hindi yun pala alam. Basta nakakaiyak siya, ano siya. Actually, that night ko rin nalaman yung reason bakit Hambebe ang tawag sa akin ni Ate Gwen. I called her Bebe kasi I don't want her to feel alone. And then ayun, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will call her Bebe forever. Kasi ano daw, yun daw yung tawag sa akin ni Mommy, Bebe. Tita calls her Bebe. Tita calls her Bebe. Kaya ayoko mawala yung para lang. Diba? Kahit na hindi namin magpunan fully, but she won't feel alone. I hope she doesn't feel alone. Kasi diba, naabutan din ni Ate Gwen si Mommy. Like, nagkasama rin kami noon sa mall, sa mga ganap sa PBB. Diba? Sabi ko, labi, huwag mo paiyakin. Ikaw nag-makeup nito. Tapos, yung pala rason. I will call her Bebe forever. That's why she's always my Bebe.
Shopping, me and my dad, he chooses clothes for me that he wants me to wear, and like if I say I don't wear that, like where am I gonna use it? That's not me. And then he's gonna get all sad, and it's like I feel bad, so it's like I'm paying for it, but then he's gonna like so look at I don't wear these clothes. Then he was like, you can wear it to an event or like something, and I'm like, okay.
Siya nakakatakot asarin, si Mix. Kasi pag iasar mo yan, may sasabihin siya sa'yo, pero mas malala. So for me, advice ko, wag yun ang target yan si Mix, kasi yung comeback niya sa'yo, mas malakas. So wag mo na i-risk. If may gusto kang lokohin sa girls, yung leader yun. Pinakamabait ako. Promise. Ako talaga pinakamabait. Hindi sa joke time to, ha? Ako talaga pinakamabait. I know in myself. Totoo, ako nga pinakamabait.